Good morning, building and construction class. I hope you've all been well. I'm just going to make a little bit of a video just to help you out in terms of navigating through OneNote and being able to access and complete all the work that we need to do whilst we're working from home. So you should all be able to get onto your OneNote. I've sent you out this email. It has a link to the OneNote if you are struggling to get onto that. It also has a couple of video tutorials, this included, and also a separate video tutorial that will show you how to access an online version of the building and construction textbook, which is the first thing that you'll need to do. Now, if you're struggling to access your OneNote, so click on that link. You could also, when you open up your web browser, go to the top left-hand corner of your page, and that is the app launcher. So if you press on that, your apps will come up. Okay, select OneNote, and that will take you to a page which will show you all of your available OneNotes. So we are 2340 BSK 1111A. So click on that one. So what you're going to see is a little bit different to your screen because I have everyone here. So I can see everyone's OneNote. I can see how you're progressing as you enter your work into those pages. Okay. What we're going to need to do is find term 3. Okay, so click on that. Okay, I might open it up from your view. So if we click on term 3. Okay. Just also, as the weeks go through, I will release 3 lessons worth of work at a time. So we've got week 1 here. That's how we're going to start, even though we're week 4. Okay. So you'll see here, week 1, lesson 1, lesson 2. There's a little bit of information and work involved in that. Then we go lesson 3, and then the information for that there as well. Okay. So if we click on our lesson 1, that should be up the top. Okay, your lesson instructions are here, your WALT, your WILF, and your instructions. Basically, the first thing that I require for you to do is to read through chapter 6, planning your work. Okay, so to do that, watch this video. Okay, there is a link down here that you'll need to click and organize the textbook for yourself. Okay. If I just open up that textbook now, okay, and I'll go back to the OneNote. So that's the first part, okay, it's just reading through the textbook. It's up here. We need chapter 16. Was it chapter 16? I'll just go back and have a look. Chapter 6, sorry. So click on planning your work. These are the different chapters inside that one. So click on each link, have a bit of a read through. There's some questions there you can answer as well. Okay, we can go back and then click on the next one, have a read through. Okay, so this information is what you'll read through, and once you've read through that, you'll be able to answer the following questions that will be on the next lesson. Okay, so back to our page here, lesson 2. Okay, so this is just basically the follow-up questions to chapter 6, planning your work. Okay, so if we click on the next tab below, got contents page, that's fine, there's no questions on that one. Page 1, planning your work. So you'll see this is a scanned copy of the questions that you would need to answer. Okay, and you're going to scroll to the right, and this is where you're going to place your answers in here. So type your answers up. Once you've done that, I will be able to see the answers that you put in. Okay, so answer these questions, go to the next page. Okay, you'll have some more questions you'll need to read through, and again answer on the right hand side. Okay, so 3 pages each lesson that we have there. There's a reading section, there's answering questions, and then the third lesson we have a written task. So you'll need to in your written task, what you'll need to do is look at a construction sector in the industry, analyze it. You can research that online, give me a brief description of the type of work performed in the industry, list different jobs that are available, the size of the sector, materials, constructions, techniques used, and who's employed. Okay, so have a bit of a look online. You can fill your answers in here. Okay, 200 to 250 words should do that pretty nicely. Okay, that's pretty much it. Okay, if you're struggling, email me. If you're not sure, give me an email and I'll try my best to get back to you as soon as possible. Okay, thanks all. Good luck with that, guys.